Hi, I'm Clayton Hawkins, hairstylist, or if you squint really hard, Celine Dion with a beard. And that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Wait, we don't have the rights to that song? Okay. But I'm not here to sing the hits of the great Canadian superstar of the North. No, I'm here to make a confession. I'm lazy. No, it's true, I'm lazy. I know what you're thinking. There's no way. The only thing lazy about him is that one eye, but no, I actually am. But today was one of those days where the coffee just hit right. And I felt motivated enough to do my hair. I blew it out, and then I curled it in large sections with my jumbo 1.5-inch curling iron for the sort of tousled sexy effect. I was kind of going for if Jennifer Aniston and Brad Pitt actually had a baby, like this is probably what their hair would look like. Where's the lie? So when I take the time to actually style my hair, I want it to last. I'm gonna show you how to extend your style all throughout the week. See you tomorrow. And it's day 2. My hair actually doesn't look bad. The waves are pretty intact. I did lose a lot of volume though, and with my face shape, yeah, I need that volume to turn this horse into a unicorn, if you feel me. So I'm just gonna grab my dry shampoo, but here's the hack, okay? I never spray it directly onto my roots, okay? That just leaves residue and doesn't absorb any oil. Instead, grab a paddle brush like this and spray the dry shampoo directly onto the paddle brush. You wanna make sure to really coat those bristles. Now just tap out any excess residue and brush your hair like normal. Okay, now that really worked. Does this look better than it did yesterday? I can't tell. See you tomorrow. Okay, it's day 3, and yeah, I'm worse for wear, guys, but that's understandable. I mean, with my lifestyle. Yesterday, I had to switch between Netflix to Hulu, all the way back to Netflix again, okay? That kind of activity, that'll make anyone sweat their hairstyle out. So normally on day 3, I like to do a ponytail or a half pony. Today I'm thinking like a half bun vibe. Let's start. We're gonna begin with our dry shampoo hack, brush our hair up into a tight and high half ponytail, secure it with an elastic. Okay, Ariana Grande is shaking. Now I'm just gonna braid the ponytail, secure it, and then pull the braid apart for a really rustic effect. Look at me go. Okay, I'm just gonna play with the shape of my bun, and now I'm gonna grab my hairpins, which I like to keep on a magnetic wristband, okay, super helpful. I'm just grabbing the pins from the wristband and creating my bun shape. Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with this look. I feel like I'm in Lord of the Rings or something, which, okay, I never saw Lord of the Rings. It's not for me. I can't watch movies where there's no electricity. I need indoor lighting. But I am obsessed with this hair. I need a sword or something. Do they have swords in Lord of the Rings? What do they fight with? They fight with rings? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, it's day 4, and I'm annoyed. My roots are greasy, my ends are frizzy, and I'm ready to throw in the towel and just wash my hair. I don't think that dry shampoo is gonna cut it with these Danny Zuko level greasy roots. So why don't I lean into the grease factor, I'll brush it all out, and then I'll just add some like Waterfall cream and go for a really sleek, shiny vibe. I'm just adding a little bit more Waterfall cream and topping the look off with some golden hairpins. I mean, come on. You know what the difference between grease and shine is? Marketing. Yeah, not sure how tomorrow is gonna go, but see you then. And it's day 5. Here's your hack. Just wear a hat. Just put a beanie on or something. I mean, sometimes you gotta know when to fold them, am I right? I gotta wash my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And if you want to see more videos like this, please follow me at Clayton Hawkins. I'm serious. What are you waiting for? Until next time, see ya! Do they have swords in Lord of the Rings? What do they fight with? Do they fist fight?